Hello and welcome to programmerblog.net. In this video, you will learn about how to parse XML files using PHP. As you might know that XML stands for Extensible Markup Language and it is commonly used for data interchange over internet. And any XML document has a root or parent element, and that root element can have child elements. And here you can see an example books XML file, and we'll parse this file using a PHP script. And in this file, after the XML variant, each book element, we have author, title, genre, price, publish underscore date, and description of the book. Next, we'll create a PHP script to parse the XML file. PHP provides us with a library called simplexml. SimpleXML extension allows us to manipulate the XML documents very easily. SimpleXML library provides us with a method called simplexml_load_file. This method turns an XML file into a data structure, and we can iterate through that data structure like arrays or objects. And over here you can see a table that displays the contents of the XML file that we saw in the last slide. So let's start work on the script. Open your favorite text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. Go to the file menu, click open folder, and go to the www or htdocs folder of your WAMP or XAMPP installation. Over here, create a new folder called Parse XML PHP. Select the folder. Over here, I am going to create a new file, and I will name this file as index.php. I'll create another file and name it as books.xml. Inside books.xml, I'll paste some content. Open the index.html file. I'll paste the example code over here to save us some time, and then we'll discuss that code. On the first line, the path to books.xml file is assigned to a variable called $XML file. And in the next line, we use the simple XML_load_file method and pass it the XML file path. This method will load this file into the memory and convert it into an object. And if this file cannot be loaded for some reason, we are using the die statement and showing the user an error. And in the next line, we create a $books list variable and assign it a heading books list from XML document. Next, we create a HTML table, and in this HTML table, we define a table row. Inside the table row, we have table headings with serial number, title, author, category, price, published date, and description of the book. As simplexml_load_file method will read the XML file contents and assign it to $books variable. Over here in this line, we use a for each loop and a loop through $books object. Inside the loop, we create a table row with multiple TD tags, and each of the tag contains the book's data such as title, author, genre, price, publish_date, and description. These table rows are assigned to $books list. After the loop finishes, we add the end table tag and assign it to $book list. In the last line, $book list variable is printed and it displays the contents of the XML file to the user in a HTML table. So let's save this file and run this script in the browser. Open the browser and type localhost/parse- xml-php and hit enter. And here you can see the XML file is parsed and data is displayed in a nice HTML table. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to read a detailed tutorial, please visit our blog. You can download the source code from our GitHub repository. Both the links are given in the description of the video as well. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks again and goodbye.